Listen up! Without me, y'all looking like monsters. Plaque, stinky breath, cavities. I'm the hero here! Excuse me? Do you think brushing alone does it? Please, I'm the one with the minty magic. I make you feel fresh.
Oh, y'all are just lazily cleaning the teether, but me, I'm saving your whole body. Hands, face, armpits, lily everywhere. Bow down.
Y'all think you're so important, huh? What about me? Dirty dishes, greasy pans? You couldn't eat that pizza slice without me, huh?
Calm down, peasants. I handle all the dirty work that matters. Clothes, floors, everything. I am the backbone of cleanliness.
Backbone?
In today's video, I'll be teaching you how I was able to do it with a FREE AI tool. See you in class.
Viral talking images are making waves online, and today I am going to show you exactly how you can create your own viral talking objects with free AI tools. Remember, we don't gatekeep here. So to make these videos, you need a master prompt. Yes, you need a master prompt. And the app we'll be using to generate our prompt is ChatGPT. Yes, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love this app a lot. So guys, this is what I gave ChatGPT. I told it that I want you to generate a well-detailed prompt of cleaning objects. I mentioned the cleaning objects I want: sponge, toothpaste, toothbrush, detergent, soap, right? They should be fighting for who is more important in the house than the other. So I want you to generate prompts that will help me generate these 3D objects. And I want the prompt to be well detailed. Do not deviate from this instruction. So I've given ChatGPT the instruction. So I have to click here and let's see what ChatGPT would give us. Whoa. All right, ChatGPT has responded. ChatGPT gave us the prompt just the way we asked it to do. It generated the ones for toothpaste, soap, sponge, detergent, and this is so nice, guys. You need to try this out. So guys, the next step is to generate these images. Yes, we have to generate these images, and the app we'll be using to generate our images is Leonardo AI. I so love this app because it gives you the image just as you want it, right? Feel free to use any app of your choice for your image generation. You can use Whisk AI, you can use even ChatGPT can generate images. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna be using Leonardo AI. So I'll just copy and paste. Copy the prompt ChatGPT gave me, then I'll paste it. And mind you, you can access Leonardo AI through your Play Store if you want to download it. But if you don't want to download it, you can access it through your Google account. And this particular app is free to an extent. One beautiful thing about Leonardo AI is that it gives free credit every day. Yes, as long as you've signed up, you will receive free credit every single day. Yes, so this is what the interface looks like. Then we have to tap on this place. Then we have to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Remember, this is for YouTube, right? Then we have to paste in our prompt here. Then we now have to click on generate. So guys, it has generated our toothbrush character. It even gave us two. This is so nice, and as you can see, it followed our prompt. So this is how I'll continue to do it. I'll copy and paste, generate the one for my detergent, my soap, my sponge, and once you're done, you click on this particular place and you download your image, and voila, your image is ready. So this is the next step. We need to go back to ChatGPT and tell it to give us an argumentative script. Remember, we want these objects to be arguing on who is more beneficial to the owner than the other, right? Who is more responsible in the house than the other. So I asked ChatGPT to write a funny argument script, sound raw and human, avoid robotic language, Make use of simpler words. Remember, you have to prompt your chat GPT. If not, it will give you robotic words, words that you don't really understand. So chat GPT responded and it gave me the script. So here is the script, and I will have to go to my to another app to animate these images, right guys? The free AI tool we'll be using to animate our images is Grok AI. I so much love this app. Yes, I do, because it's very generous. Honestly, Grok is very generous. So you can access it through your Play Store or through your Chrome browser. I already have it downloaded in my phone. So this is what the interface looks like for those of us that don't know what Grok AI is. Then when you come over to this place, you click on Imagine. Then we have to import our pictures, the ones that ChatGPT gave us. We have to start with our toothbrush. Then we have to put in our prompt here. Alright, so after that, you now have to click on this arrow to see what it will give us.
Listen up! Without me, y'all looking like monsters. Plaque, stinky breath, cavities. I'm the hero here! Listen up! Without me, y'all look.
Guys, can you see that it followed our prompt? Yes, it followed our prompt. So we have to animate our second image. So we have to click on this arrow and download it, and voila, our video is ready. So let's animate the second one, which is the toothpaste. So here is our toothpaste, and we've copied and pasted our prompts, right? So let's see what it will give us.
Excuse me? Do you think brushing alone does it? Please, I'm the one with the minty magic. I make you feel fresh.
So guys, have you seen it? So this is how we will continue until we are done animating our videos, animating our images or our pictures. The next step is to edit them, bring them together and edit. And the editing app we'll be using for this next step is CapCut. Yes, so you can access it through your Play Store if you want to download it. I already have mine downloaded, so I'll just click on new project. Then I'll bring in all my videos. You have to put in your text, put in your animation, things you feel that can make the videos to come out so well. You have to be very creative in your editing, right? So I'll play it for you guys to see once I'm done editing.
Listen up! Without me, y'all looking like monsters. Plaque, stinky breath, cavities. I'm the hero here! Excuse me? Do you think brushing alone does it? Please, I'm the one with the minty magic. I make you feel fresh.
Oh, y'all are just lazily cleaning the teether, but me, I'm saving your whole body. Hands, face, armpits, lily everywhere. Bow down.
Y'all think you're so important, huh? What about me? Dirty dishes, greasy pans? You couldn't eat that pizza slice without me, huh?
Calm down, peasants. I handle all the dirty work that matters. Clothes, floors, everything. I am the backbone of cleanliness.
Backbone? Please, you're just sitting in the cabinet most of the time. And you're just poking teeth, buddy. Nobody eats soap. Y'all acting like cleaning the body is more important than fresh breath. Try kissing someone after skipping me for a week. Please, if I don't exist, y'all live in a trash pile. Admit it!
Me! 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 Ah!
So who is really the most important in your house? Comment below, and please, please, please don't fight like them. If you have watched up to this point, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you are interested in the prompt I used in generating my images, comment prompts in the comment section and I will send it to you. I'm available for one-on-one coaching and collaboration. Do well to email me, or do well to reach out to me through the email in my description box. And also do well to check out the videos showing on your screen. And until I come your way next time, take care and bye-bye.